Listen to it, man. Abutted mini grass, 612, trying, 612, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Breaker DX land, 612 on the Gulf Islands, 612, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Abutted mini grass, we're trying with that's little Antron or IMAX 2000 here in the Bearcat, 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific, waving aloha. Abutted mini grass, we're trying, man. 612 on the Gulf Islands, 612 skip junkie, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Sounding good, mini grass, sounding good. 612 waving aloha, 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Abutted Hawaiian Islands, 612, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. I might go onto the beam after and try just barefoot out of the RCI 2980. Yeah, we'll play around with this one and see if we can make some contacts. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So, anyway. Delta 19 heard me out there. That's the main thing on my little rinky-dinky IMAX. Abutted mini grass. Try one more time. 612 Gulf Islands. 612 on the Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Like all my Hawaiian stuff? What do you think of all that Hawaiian stuff there, folks? I'm just panning around here so you can see where I broadcast from, guys. Try one more call and then I'll hang her up. Abutted mini grass, 612 Gulf Islands, 612 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Okay, that's all, folks. Aloha. Oh, there's Mad Max. I haven't heard him for a while. How about in Mad Max on the Big Island? Hey, Mad Max, 612 Skip Junkie. 612 Skip Junkie, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. How about in Mad Max? Big Island, 612 Gulf Islands, 612 Skip Junkie waving.
Hello, 612. Hello, Skip Junkie,
All right, sounding good, Mad Max. Hey, aloha and shaka wave, man. Mahalo for coming back to me, brother. Have a good one out there and happy DXing. 612 Skip Junkie, Gulf Islands, North Pacific waving. Bye, bye, my friend. Aloha and shaka wave from the Gulf Islands, North Pacific, 612, reading the mail. There we go. Gotta like that, eh? It's working. How do you like my flags?